Alrighty, I'd like to make one enhancement to our application. I'd like to display a message if products are not found. Let's go ahead and find out how we can make the updates to handle for this case. And let me zoom in and show you a quick demo here. So if we search for products like Python, we know we have Python products in our database and we'll get some results. So that's A-OK. But now if I remove that and just type in any random characters on my keyboard, then I get a blank screen. So I'd like to display a message if products are not found. The blank screen is not really good for the users. We like to tell them, hey, I couldn't find any products. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move into Visual Studio Code. And let's open up our file, productlistgridcomponent.html. And I'll expand my window here and zoom out a bit. And so we'll move down to this section where we have loop over the collection of products. And I'll actually add some code after this section. So I'll move in here at the bottom and I'll write some quick comments to myself just to kind of keep myself on track. So basically, if the products are empty, then I want to display a message to the user. Alrighty, we'll set up a div and we'll make use of ngIf. And we'll say products ? dot length. And be sure to include the question mark. I'll discuss it in a second. And we'll check to see if the length equals 0. And then we'll also add some bootstrap styles here for alerts and alert warnings. And I'll also add a role equals alert. So role alert basically is for accessibility. So it provides extra information to assistive technologies such as screen readers. And then inside of this div, I simply say no products found. Okay, so a bit more on the question mark. This is known as a safe navigation operator. It guards against null and undefined values in your property paths. So it's a shortcut way of avoiding null pointer exception issues. So effectively here at the bottom, if products is null or undefined, or the product length equals 0, then we'll display no products found. So that's the whole idea about the safe navigation operator, the question mark. And this is a really nice Angular feature. If you'd like to get more details on this safe navigation operator, visit the link here on the screen. It'll redirect you to the official Angular documentation. And that's the coding required to display a message if the products are empty. Now, I want to give credit to one of our students, Matt Seymour. He actually came up with this snippet of code and he provided it in the course discussion forum. I saw his solution and I said, wow, Matt, this is great. Do I have permission to include this in the course? And he said, sure, no problem. He was very happy to provide permission. So anyway, I said, hey, Matt, I'll give you credit for this. And so here we go. So Matt, your name's in lights now. Thanks a bunch for helping us out. All right, so I'm kind of excited. I want to test this out. So let's go ahead and swing into our browser. Let's just do a regular search for Python just to make sure that we can get products. Okay, that's fine. Now let's just enter any type of characters on our keyboard and then do a search. All right, success. So now we display a message if the products are not found. So no more blank page. Now we can actually see that given message for this given scenario. So this is a really good enhancement and I like it and I'm happy. So I'd like to say, good job, my friend.